Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first visit overseas to the developed world post-Operation Sindoor is extremely strategic and significant as it takes him to three countries including the G7 summit in Canada. Modi began with the first visit in 23 years by an Indian Prime Minister to the European tax haven of Cyprus. Notably, Cyprus has a historic rivalry with Turkey, the only country that supplied military support to Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. Cyprus President Nikos Christodoulides, in a rare gesture, received Prime Minister Modi at the airport on 15 June 2025. Modi held talks with President Christodoulides and addressed business leaders in Limassol. The visit has deepened bilateral ties and strengthened India's engagement with the European nation before the upcoming Free Trade Agreement (FTA) with the European Union that is slated to completed in 2025. Cyprus prepares to assume the presidency of the EU Council in 2026. Four memorandums of understanding (MOUs) were signed between India and Cyprus following the business roundtable in Limassol in various sectors, including trade, investment, and innovation. On the financial services sector, the two leaders welcomed the signing of an MOU between the NSE International Exchange Gift City, Gujarat and the Cyprus Stock Exchange, the statement said. NIPL and PCI International Payments Limited and the Eurobank Cyprus reached an understanding on introducing UPI for cross-border payments between the two countries, which would benefit tourists and businesses. The India-Greece-Cyprus (IGC) Business and Investment Council was launched to work on trilateral cooperation in sectors such as shipping, logistics, renewable energy, civil aviation, and digital services. Several Indian companies see Cyprus as a gateway to Europe and a hub for IT services, financial management, and tourism. Next, the Indian Prime Minister will travel to Kananaskis in Canada on June 16 to 17 to participate in the G7 summit. Prime Minister of Canada, Mark Carney, personally invited Modi. This visit is significant as it could bring a major shift in bilateral ties that plummeted during the reign of the recently replaced former Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Modi will attend the G7 summit for the sixth consecutive time. Modi's visit assumes significance as he will meet leaders of most powerful nations for the first time since Operation Sindoor. G7 agenda is important as India rises in economic prowess and focuses energy security, technology and innovation, particularly the AI energy nexus and quantum-related issues. Modi will be the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Croatia at the invitation of Prime Minister of Croatia, Andrej Plenković. It is not only an important bilateral milestone but one with impact on the India-EU Free Trade Agreement, which is likely to be concluded before the end of 2025.